Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Cherokee Overland in brilliant black. With bi-xenon high-intensity discharge headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with heating element, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch cluster with TFT display, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, SELEC-TERRAIN SYSTEM, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3253A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.